Welcome to the Glastonbury VOXMOB.
Yo, we are the Beatbox Collective, and we are here to start your Glastonbury journey by simply joining us to become the music.
In this video, we will teach you the parts to 3 songs, and then every afternoon of the festival, we will be running workshops building towards 1 grand performance together at 2:55 on Sunday. Look for the big love heart at the Sensation Seeker stage in the Theatre and Circus fields.
Yes, and first off, to kick it all off, here are the 3 basic sounds of beatboxing.
Number 1, the kick drum. Raise your fist in the air like this, and simply repeat after me on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Nice. Second sound, the hi-hat. Raise your finger like this, and after the count of 3, repeat after me with a 1, 2, 3.
Now the third sound, use a kicking curse sound, but raise your drum finger like this and simply go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Congratulations, you've just reached level 1 of beatboxing. Ding! Now you have your drums set up. Here are the 3 tracks.
So, track number 1 is You Got the Love by Candy Staton, absolute classic, which sounds like this.
Sometimes I feel like all my hands up in the air. I know I can count on you. Sometimes I feel like saying, Lord, I just don't care. You got the love I need to see me through.
All you need to do is the bass line and the clap, just like this. Ding 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 ding. 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 If you want to be fancy, you can put double claps in there like this. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Ding ding ding. And have fun with it, sing along, beatbox along, dance along, just enjoy yourselves. And if you want to put some extra special sounds in there, like feel free.
Yo, this is MC Zany from the Beatbox Collective, and the second song you're going to be hearing is Bill Withers' Lovely Day, and it sounds like this.
A lovely day.
So, there's going to be a few more different elements that you need to learn for this song. One of the second elements is the clicks, and also the snare, which you can do with the letter K like this. Also, there is the bass line, which sounds like this. Dum 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 ba dum ba dum ba dum dum ba dum. Dum 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 ba dum, dum 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 ba dum 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 ba dum, ba dum dum ba dum, dum dum ba dum, dum ba dum. So now we are going to do the bass line and the beat together, and it's going to sound like this. Boom 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 boom. Boom 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 boom. Your turn. Boom 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 boom. That is amazing. So see you at Glastonbury. See you in the field for VOXMOB 2023 with the Beatbox Collective.
All right. So for track 3, we bring the fiesta, the party, and the carnival all in one with Samba de Janeiro by Bellini that sounds like this. That's the melody. All you need to do, bring your best trumpets, or simply bring your voice, shout along, and of course, bring your best energy, and definitely your best dance moves.
Yes, and we will be transitioning into the samba track from the previous one with some call and response. So all you have to do is repeat after me. Something like
We will see you all there, Glastonbury 2023. See you at the Theatre and Circus, at Sensation Seekers every afternoon, and the grand finale at 2:55 on Sunday.